Alright, so this is the project, the old Casper stock car that I started chopping up and changing before I left for Australia. It's been like this for about 15 years now. So on the back we just got Toyota diff, spin offset. This is just the old petrol tank that was in there. And roll cage needs to be modified, changed, but that was the gearbox that was in there, 4-speed holding gearbox with a bow housing on it, but that's the old motor there, 2-to-1 brought out to 240, 4-barrel carb, but we're not going with that one anymore. We're going to go with a Falcon motor. So this is just a dummy one that's just been sitting outside, so it's just sitting in place just to make sure it fitted. Just the front, nothing special about there. The stud, the old as the old school Zephyr ones, but we'll change that. But yeah, so we just dumped the motor in there just to see how it'll fit. Probably line up not too bad. We have to chop this bar away, get rid of that, change the whole firewall, but basically it's going to fit. That's all we wanted to know. Had this idea of using like a power steering rack down the side, but yeah, it's rubbish, so we're going to chop all that off. What's coming up here, from up there down there, it all worked, but yeah, it was just rubbish, so just going to scrap it and just go with a normal power steering system. And yeah, that's basically it. We had 8-inch wide rims on it when we sort of set it up, but it's actually too wide, so where that black line is there, it's about 2 inches. Have to pretty much cut 2 inches off the side to bring it in. So that's simple enough. All the side rails we're going to bring in as well, because I actually built this like the same width as my super stock, but I don't want to muck around putting extra additions on the front, so we're just going to bring it all and make it a bit more narrower. And yeah, just get out there for play. Yeah, roll cage needs to be rebuilt. Got to get a seat. That's just a dummy one that I sort of started making, but might as well just get a decent proper one. Yeah, so that's it basically. Probably do more videos and stuff as we go, but it's got a lot of work, but yep, it's a start.